What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to create better quality journals. So welcome back to StackinProfit. My name's Paddy and over here we give you the tools and resources to learn, grow and master passive income streams so that you can live a life of freedom. Now, like I said in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to create better quality journals. Now, this isn't what you're probably thinking. This is nothing to do with going into Canva and designing. This is all about some YouTube channels or YouTube search terms that you should be checking out and also following. So, what is that? Well, it's bullet journaling. So, bullet journaling is absolutely massive, but why is this interesting to us as journal designers or low content book publishers? Well, you can learn a hell of a lot just from a few different YouTube channels. So what I've gone ahead and done is just typed in how to bullet journal. Now over here, one thing I do want to note really quick, bullet journaling, if you try to create a book around bullet journaling, you're going to have to call it a dot grid journal. Practically the same thing, apart from bullet journal is trademarked, so stay away from that. If you want to do something similar, then use a dot grid journal. But for this instance, we're just using this for research so we can learn how to design better. And by looking at how to bullet journal, you can come up with some really great ideas on how to design your interiors. So just by looking through this, I've actually got a few YouTube channels that I want you to go and check out as well. But just by checking out how to bullet journal, you're going to come across some really great videos. So how to bullet journal for beginners. With this, you can check this out and see the layouts that these type of people use within their books, and you can use similar layouts within your own. Again, there's some really great information if you take the time to come through and learn about bullet journaling. You're going to come up with so many ideas. Like right here, look at this. So 5 types of habit trackers. So a habit tracker low content book could work extremely well. You could watch this type of video to see how they're laying out the interior to see if you could do something similar. Again, it all comes down to that research, and by researching bullet journals, you're going to come up with some really great ideas. So come over to YouTube and just type in how to bullet journal or bullet journaling and start looking through the videos. Now, with that being said, I do have a few different YouTube channels which we're about to go through, which you should really go through and check out. First one being AmandaRachLee. I think I pronounced that right. But anyway, if we take a look through her videos, there's some really great ones about planners. As we can see here, Plan With Me, a bullet journal setup. So you can watch videos like this, see how they lay out their journals, their planners, and then get inspiration to create better quality journals and planners yourself. But if we look through all these videos, there's so many great ones. Holiday bullet journal ideas, this would be great to watch, and then just so many more. So that's the first one that I want you to come through and watch. That's AmandaRachLee. I think I pronounced that right. 2 million subscribers. Wow, that's cool. The second one is the Sassy Club. So with these, they have some really great ideas as well. You can watch videos on how they plan their bullet journals again, so you can get some really great ideas. See with this one, Plan With Me, September bullet journaling spread. So you can learn more about the spreads and what they use and how it looks visually appealing and how they lay it out and all of that good stuff. And again, this is going to help you create better quality journals and also planners and anything like that, anything with your books, because again, you're just going to get so many ideas. So this is the second one. As we can see, there's so many cool videos to go through as well. So that one was the Sassy Club. So come through and check out this YouTube channel as well. Again, I am going to leave links to all these channels down in the description below so you can go through and check it out. Now, the third one is PlanningWithKay. Again, really great ideas about journaling, bullet journaling, spreads, all that good stuff. And as we can see from here, you can see the layouts of how they have their journals, their planners, and again, you can use this for some really great inspiration, and you're going to be able to make better quality books if you come through and check out all of these videos. So we got Plan With Me for July, June, May, April, March. You can go through all these videos, see how they've got their layouts in their bullet journals, and just get a bunch of ideas. So that's the third one, I believe, and that was Planning with Kay. Now the next one isn't about bullet journaling. I just think it's a really great YouTube channel which you should go and check out, and that is Online Template Shop. So over here they have some really great videos, mainly all about Canva. And as you know, Canva is my go-to tool for designing all of my books. But again, there's just some really, really great knowledge over here on this channel. Now, like I said, this one isn't about bullet journaling, but again, you're going to get some really, really great ideas. So come through, check out these YouTube channels. There are a lot more than just these ones that I've pulled up. These are some really great channels, but if you go back to YouTube and just type in how to bullet journal, then you're going to come across so many great ideas. Bullet journal tutorial, look at this, plus my top 10 tips. So do you think that if you watch something like this that you can get some really great ideas for your own books? Yeah, I think you could. So again, come through, check out these channels, start learning about bullet journaling, because that alone is going to get you making better quality books. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.